Yeah, we've got some.
Indeed.
Yeah, here.
It's the same thing but with power cream. And this is
Whakaalo Fatu Mako, Mawhala. Welcome back. We're here at our family trip at Ruakaka. Manuine Tofo. Got the crew here, got the main man. Got David.
Hey. Welcome to the Ruakaka trip. Today is just the days. Shout out to Hux.
Shoo!
Right. Yep. Shout out to Dad and Nana. Not here, but they. Yep. Yeah. Oh yeah. Shoo!
Shoo!
Oh, I forgot. It's time to ride.
Yay! Whakaoela.
Wait, look at this out.
What's up, AJ?
Hi.
Whakaalo Fatu. We're here at Ruakaka Camp. Yeah. Thanks everybody for coming, for the organisers. Yep. Whakaoi.
Bless you, man.
No way you're lost. Gonna get a good photo before we go.
After our evening walk, eh? It's nice, man. Yeah.
Jackson,
What?
how are you feeling? Mitaki?
Yeah, we're talking.
Malolo na kai?
And
Whakaalo Fatu Maendi, malolo na kai? E ke hā koe? Shee!
Mataki.
Mr. Atu.
Whakaalo Fatu, Mako. We're here at Ruakaka Camp. Our family camp. We just set up all the way down there. We're just coming for an evening walk on the beach. And yeah. Coming for tomorrow. Go for a massive swim. Got a big waves. And yeah, whakaolahi.
Whakaoe.
Yeah, Ruakaka. Going on a walk. That is Thursday today. Sky is very clear. And yeah.
Whakaoe. Okay, whakaalo Fatu. Ko hai e hingoa hao?
Alright, ko Ariana e hingoa haku.
Ko hengo e ngā hoa hao?
Ko Rainbows in e hingoa
Ngā hoa.
No.
Who's this?
Marshmallows. I have big one, Great mine. Shout out to everyone. Saturday is my birthday on the 26th. Saturday, come here. Yep. Shout out to Stephanie here. Shout out to Uncle Rissy. I had good memories with him. He's a really nice guy. He's often so high, but yeah, I miss that guy. Sheesh, Lumunda!
Whakaoe.
Sorry.
He's our NBA future. Tau tama. Fire! Boy, hola, hiva tula.
Elijah, you want rice?
Whakaalo Fatu Mako, pongi atu, pongi nei. Tau se kai, ke kai a mautolu, e aho whaliele. Happy Waitangi Day today.
Yes, happy Waitangi.
We got the chef doing the French toast.
Yes.
Tuku I loto e olu,
E
kapiniu. Tuku I loto
whalawa.
e whalawa.
Ke moa mo e huku.
Popo kohio e...
Ke moa mo e huku.
Nada... Polu. Yep. Okay. Palai.
Happy birthday, AJ. All the best. God bless.
Liam got up 5 a.m. this morning, went training.
Yep.
Training up.
Gee. And yeah, AJ's birthday this morning. Manuini aha whanau. Happy birthday, AJ. Whaiawhi, so we just used
Whoa. Too unhealthy, bro.
Whakalofa atu makau, we're making the panikekes. Got one of the...
Yeah, one of the samplers waiting for a tester.
What's this one?
Have a look, have a look, have a look. Have you seen this technique?
Oh, this is the different kind of techno spoons, eh? Gotta use this.
Hang on, soon.
You done this before, Gus?
Not with a cup, bro.
Whakalofa atu makau, osi e aha ua. O mautolu ki tahi, ke kaukau. So peeps had a long day today. 7 hours of straight beach, basketball. And now we're just making the pancakes, Fijian pancakes. Master Chef Gus.
Yep.
Here.
You eat this pancake, you will never eat pancake again.
Low in carbs, low in fat.
Yeah. Try that at home, kids. Try it.
Low in cholesterol.
They just, you know what I'm saying, eh?
Yeah. But nah, it's been a good trip so far, eh?
Yeah, it's good.
Awesome trip, man.
Awesome trip. Yeah, everyone's calm, everyone's relaxed.
We always have little. We always make a bowl, and then we half it. We take it down to your dad. Oh, loves this pancake. Back to the pancakes.
Yes.
Turns brown, it's cooked.
Okay, turns brown. So what color is it now?
Nearly. Oh, let's see.
Crispy.
Yeah, like that.
So, shout to Miss Gus. Sorry, Gus. Shout out to you, Gus. So we're Kurt with turn up the bonfire. What's it called?
Celebrate Waitani!
Matani. My manure haul. It must be incredible tonight. Listen rugby. So yeah, enjoy the team. Shout out to my Simpson and Ronnie. Shout out to them. Not here. Yeah. So shout out to Gus and Uma. Incredible. We win that. Go away.
For it.
US Bishop League.
Ooh!
Happy Waitangi Day. You're up and coming. Happy Waitangi Day. Hope everybody has a good camp stay. Thank you to all the organisers again. And yep,
For it.
Happy Waitangi Day! Happy Waitangi Day. Happy birthday to AJ too.
Hey, Pongi atu. What's today's Saturday today, eh? Morning, Gus.
Morning. Going for a little bit of a walk. Ruakaka. See you breakfast.
How's your sleep?
it's pretty good here, but I think I got sunburn on my back. Yep, but it's all good. Let's get us out. Breakfast.
Yo. We just my body's lole hakasino. Long tau whawhau sino morning. It's got the tokuli. come for some mental health walks, come for some, get everything off my chest. Long day. Everyone else is still asleep, I think. We'll see you at breakfast. Whakalofa atu makau, ko teivera ke tūne tau mena kai, tau tunu paku.
Yeah, paku. So today, we're cooking some veggies. So this is chicken kebab. Vibes here. Coffee Hayden ke motu ko hey Hayden. Hey, oh, sorry, bro. Just came rubbish. Oh, good.
Homo.
Okay, motu. Just cooking this. Yeah.
The last chapter's been really good. Just
But I mean, that's why it's
swimming every day. Been pretty hot, sunburn all over my body, but all good. Yeah, heaps of fun. Getting ready to eat now. Very hungry. And then you guys came back.
Fuck all it.
The estuary was quite high up.
Bro, fair, sino.
Hey, oh, good,
The last
man.
time I came back to where I swam with you and
Hungry
Holly.
now.
Yeah.
After all that swimming, everyone's hungry.
But I wanted to go out to the...
So,
The rough, we went out to
everybody's going to bring something, so
today. I was like,
it's going to be a nice feed. Last day at
yeah,
camp.
yeah. So I was
We
like,
have to eat everything before we go back.
Yeah, and then Danny's walking back.
Cook everything, nothing left behind.
No, you're heading back.
Yeah, looking forward to Halonga.
And then
Yeah, Holonga, yeah.
So I'm coming to watch a few more siblings performing. So yeah, well done, Freestyle Nation. Another exciting event.
Oh, Stingray.
Yep. Sweet, man.
Oh, yeah. How's the trip been so far?
I've been actually really hot. Lots of people have been getting sunburn.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, but you just need to wear your sunscreen, wear a hat, get your sunglasses, and yeah. Going back to how the camp has been, it's been really good. All the family has been playing around. Been playing touch a few times on the beach, and yeah, overall the camp has been really good.
Cool.
Whakaelahi.
Whakalofa atu makau. Okay, we got our crews been hunting the crabs. Show us, bring it out.
This way.
Whoa!
Don't pinch me. If you pinch me, I'm gonna throw you on
Kalahimu.
the floor.
Nice. They still alive?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh man, you guys are ready for Niue.
We're gonna feed it some salt. Big claws. Oh, here.
Nice one, boys and girl.
These are mine. And I also found like tiny ones.
This is my other one. We each found a big one each.
Wait,
Nice.
wait.
All right, we're gonna have dinner soon, so we better start heading back, eh?
Okay.
Okay. A nice one, team.
Okay, I got mine.
Nice.
Yum, this looks...
I need some masima. Whoa.
Yeah, we've got some... Yeah, here.
This is our local hairdresser. What are you gonna do, Faith?
Just giving him braids. Just giving him 8 braids. Yeah.
Oh, nice. Oh yeah, we'll come back when
Come back when
final
it's
product.
finished.
Yeah.
I was in luck because I told them that the people across here, I told them that it was my birthday yesterday and they gave me a cheesecake. Birthday? Yeah, but I ate it.
Whakalofa atu makau. It's our last day here for our morning walk. We've only got Indy, Jackson, Liam, Elijah and Wilma. Yep, good trip. Things that's coming up now in April. O hake a motolu ki Niue, mahina apelila, ki tau se low more reunion. So until then, we'll see what happens. Okay. Oh, nice, Atsi.
Camp is finished and now we're getting a lunch at Wapi Bakery. Yeah. So I'm gonna try it out and see if that's any good. Smash burger here we come. So this is A fritter? I think it's a mussel fritter. I think so. Oh no, I think it's power. It's a power fritter, but without the power cream. This is the same thing, but with power cream. And this is power cream and fried bread.